Hello everyone. Today we are going to study geography. Chapter 1, Earth as a planet. In this chapter we will study the first part, the Earth as a unique planet, and let's start. In this topic we will study that how our Earth is so unique and different from other planets. So let's read and understand what it is given. Earth is a small planet in the vastness of space. It is one of the 8 planets of the solar system. It is the only planet known to harbor life. So this is conveying the message that our Earth is the only planet that has life on it, and it is one of the 8 planets in the solar system. Next point is, our solar system is a tiny part of a gigantic spiral galaxy, the Milky Way. This is made up of billions of stars which look like as if they have been sprinkled thickly into the night sky. This is saying that our Earth is a part of the Milky Way galaxy, and it has billions and billions of stars, and it just looks like we have sprinkled some glitter on a black sheet of paper. You can imagine like that. And here one more to know is given in the green blocks, that is, the Milky Way is the name given to the faint band of light that stretches across the night sky. The light comes from the stars and nebulae in our galaxy. The galaxy is shaped like spiral with a dense central bulge that is encircled by 4 arms spiraling outwards and out, surrounded by a less dense halo. So this is giving us the information about the Milky Way galaxy in which our Earth is there. It is saying that our galaxy is shaped like a spiral and has a central bulge. That means it is having a bulge in the center, like our Earth is also having a bulge in the center, that is at the equator, and it is slightly flat above on the poles. So similarly the galaxy is also centrally bulged. So the second point says the solar system consists of the sun at the center and 8 major planets, their satellites, and countless minor planets, asteroids orbiting the sun. As we all know that in our solar system we have 8 major planets that are orbiting around the sun. And the next point is the word planet is derived from the Greek word meaning wanderer. Planets are so named because they revolve around the sun. So this point says that the word planet, it came from a Greek word that is wanderer, and it is given the name wanderer because the planets revolve around the sun, and because as they are revolving around the sun they gave it the name wanderer, which means planet. Next point is the 8 planets in order of their distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. We all knew about this. And next point is Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun, the densest planet in the solar system, and the largest of all the solar system 4 terrestrial planets. It is the 5th largest planet in the solar family. Earth is the 5th largest planet in all the 8 planets, and it is the 3rd planet from the sun, and it is the densest, the largest in all the 4 terrestrial planets. In fact, although Mercury is closer to the sun, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. It is because of its thick atmosphere is full of greenhouse gas CO2, which traps heat, making it feel like a furnace on the surface. So, although our Mercury is the closest to the sun, but still Venus is the hottest because it has a greenhouse gas cover in the atmosphere. That is why, which traps all the heat energy that comes from the sun in the form of rays, and that's why it is so hot that you can feel it like a furnace. The heat, the temperature which is of a furnace is the temperature of the surface of the Venus planet. That is because of the greenhouse gas that is present in the atmosphere of Venus. That is also why it is the hottest planet and Mercury is not. Next point is it is one of the most beautiful planets and appears from distant space as a small greenish blue marble-like sphere with its blue ocean and sparkling polar ice caps. The Earth is also referred to as blue planet because of the abundance of water on the planet, producing a vivid blue color when viewed from space. In this point, it tells us that our planet is the most beautiful planet. It is so because our Earth is full of greenery and water. So it appears like a greenish blue marble in the space from the space. And it is also referred to as a blue planet because almost 75% of our Earth is made up of water and only 29% of land is there on Earth. That's why it looks like almost blue from the space, and they say is as a blue planet. Second topic of this chapter is realms of the Earth or the Earth sphere. Realms of the Earth, we have three realms that are lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Lithosphere is made up of rocks and hydrosphere is made up of water because hydro means water, so we can understand from the word hydro only that it is made up of water. Atmosphere, it is made up of air. Lithosphere is the solid crust of rock on the surface of the Earth on which we live. The main part of the crust consists of igneous rock, the rest consists of sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. So it tells us that our crust of the Earth is known as lithosphere as it is made up of rocks, and the main parts are the rocks are of three types, that are igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic rocks. And about these rocks we'll study in the next chapter, 6th chapter, that is rocks and rock cycle. So let's move further. Hydrosphere. The Earth has been named blue planet or watery planet as it contains 71% of water on its surface and 29% of land. As I already told that it is made up of 71% of water, that's why it is named as a blue planet. And it is the only planet in the solar system which has abundance of water, which is very essential for the life. On Earth, water exists in all the three forms, that is solid, liquid and gas. In solid form, ice, liquid water and gaseous water vapor. And next point is oceans not only moderate the temperatures to a large extent, they also help in the setting of a water circulation system called water cycle. Oceans are very necessary as they help in moderating the temperature. They moderate the temperature by the process called water cycle, in which the water is first evaporated from the ocean and lakes, and then it forms a cloud, and from the cloud it rains, and then again the cycle continues. The third realm is atmosphere. About atmosphere, we all know that it is the envelope of air that surrounds the Earth, and it is colorless, odorless and tasteless. And the most interesting fact about it that we do not feel it until there is a horizontal motion in it, and the horizontal motion in the air is known as wind, and the gentle horizontal motion is known as breeze. And the Earth atmosphere, it extends up to 1600 kilometers, and the composition of air is 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen and 1% of other gases like water vapor, carbon dioxide and many more. So this is the composition of air that is present all around us. Atmosphere, it is also acting as a protecting blanket for our Earth, as it protects us from the harmful UV rays of the sun, and this air blanket, that is atmosphere, protects our Earth from the harmful rays, and it also does not allow the heat from Earth to go out of this planet, and it retains in the Earth's surface only. So the third topic is shape and size of the Earth, that we will study in the next part of the chapter. I hope that you all have understood what I told till now. Thank you for watching. Hope you can learn from it.